Okay, this little short video is just to show you how to repair a corrupted flash drive, pen drive or USB. It's basically where the computer is just not recognizing the pen drive. The first thing you'll need to do is select your start menu and type in CMD. Make sure that you select this program, which is basically the command prompt. In command prompt you want to type in diskpart, which stands for disk partition. Once that's selected, if you then type in list disk and then enter, and what this will do is it will show you the two disks I've got. So the first disk, disk 0, is my hard drive. Disk 1 is my USB pen, which is around about 8 gigabytes. So 7788 megabytes, which is around about 8 gigabytes. So we select disk 1 and press enter, then type in clean. So it says it's succeeded in cleaning the disk, and then type in create partition primary and press enter. Next, if you then type in active, and then type in select partition 1. Finally, if you type in format FS, which stands for file system, equals FAT32, and FAT stands for file allocation table. Once you've typed that in, just press return. Depending on the size of your pen drive, this could take a little while. So what we'll do is I'll stop the video and then start it up again when it's actually completed. Okay, we're at 99%, so nearly 100%. It's taken a little while. On my computer, it might be that yours has taken a while. Probably mine's been about 15 or 20 minutes. Okay, so we're now at 100%. And that's finished. So what we'll do quickly is just check whether it's actually worked or not. So if I go load up computer, remove the disk, and then I'll just see where I can actually move this into the folder, and that's worked. Okay, so hope you found that useful. Thank you.